The anecdote goes that Italian composer Gioachino Rossini had promised his friend, French writer Alexandre Dumas, to show him the preparation for maccheroni alla napoletana, but instead came up with this pasta with mushrooms and truffles. Dumas, who was expecting a truly southern Italian dish, refused to eat Rossini's elaborate creation. Rossini was so offended that they allegedly never again talked to each other. But he wrote that recipe down. The term maccheroni at the time described slightly bigger pasta tubes like tortiglioni, rigatoni, or even paccheri. Rossini insists that this dish is to be served in a terracotta bowl.